Now, students, in this section, I am going to explain about properties of matrix multiplication. And in our last section, we had seen that commutative law generally in matrix multiplication does not exist. It may be possible that AB exists, BA does not exist. AB and BA both exist, but their orders are not same. AB, BA both exist, both have same order, but their corresponding entries are not same. And when commutative law of matrix multiplication holds only when both matrices are diagonal matrices. Okay. Now, clearly, the first case, generally commutative law does not holds in matrix multiplication. Second, associative law. See, in matrix multiplication, associative law holds for any three matrices A, B, C. If their orders are like this, that A, B, C exist, in that case AB into C is same as A into BC. Means if three matrices A, B, C are like this, that their orders are like this, that their product exists, means A, B, C exists. So in that case, associative law holds. I will give you some examples for verification of this. Okay. See, clearly, because associative law holds, we can write A into B into C without using bracket. A, B, C can be written. And next one, distributive law. I also give you examples for verification of distributive law. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Just like distributive law of multiplication over the addition on numbers, that holds also on multiplication of matrices. Matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. Okay. So A into B plus C can be written as AB plus AC. A plus B into C can be written as AC. Sorry, here AC plus BC. Now, existence of identity element. Clearly, we want a matrix which, when multiplied with any matrix, either that matrix multiplied to its right side, from its right side, or from its left side, means in this case this is right identity, and in this case this is left identity, it must be equal to the same matrix. See, identity matrix we had read in our last lecture is the matrix identity of the multiplicative identity for the matrices. I am going to explain all this one by one by giving you an example. So first हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. Second, for the associative law, I am going to take three matrices A, B, C and going to verify that associative law for the matrix multiplication holds. See. A 1 2 3 4. This is 2 by 2 matrix. B 0 1 0 3 2 1. This is, you can say, 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. So this is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 3. Clearly AB exists. And C is taken as 3 by something. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 3 by 2 matrix. Clearly, AB exists and BC also exists because number of columns here is the same as number of rows here. So now I am going to find out, I am going to verify AB into C is same as A into BC. I am going to verify this. So for this we have to find out first AB. So AB is what? AB is what? That is A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 2 matrix, and B is 0, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is 2 by 3 matrix. So that is equal to, see, that is 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3. Then 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2, and 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Okay. After that 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1. So we have AB. This is 0, this is 6, this is 1, this is 4, this is 0, this is 2, this is 0, this is 12, this is 3, this is 8, this is 0, this is 4. So this is AB. So AB is what? 6, 5, 2, 12, 11, 4. Okay. Now we have matrix AB. It should be it will multiply with C. So AB into C. C. AB into C. AB is 6, 5, 2, 12, 11, 4. A matrix of order 2 by 3. And C is matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 3 by 2. So what will be AB into C? It will be equal to, see, this is 6 first row, first column, 6 into 1, 6 plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 2 into 5, 10. First row, second column, 6 into 2, 12 plus 5 into 4, 20 plus 2 into 6, 12. Okay. After that, second row, first column, 12 into 1, 12 plus 11 into 3, 33 plus 4 into 5, 20. 12 in first, second row, second column, 12 into 2, 24 plus 11 into 4, 44 plus 4 into 6, 24. So that is equal to, see, this is 6 plus 15, 21 plus 10, 31, 12 plus 20, 32 plus 12, 44. After that, 12 plus 33, that is 45, and 45 plus 20, 65. 24 plus 44, 68. 68 plus 24, 92. Okay, so AB into C is nothing but, this is a matrix of order 2 by 2 having entries 31, 44, 65 and 92. Okay. So now I am going to I have to write here A B C, that is what? That is 31, 44, 65, 92. Okay. Now I am going to find out A into BC. A into BC. For that, first of all, we have to find out BC. So I am going to find out BC. See, BC. B is 0, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, and C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 2 by 3. This is of order 3 by 2. What we have? That is equal to 0 into 1, 0, plus 1 into 3, 3, plus 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 4, 4, 0 into 6, 0. Okay? 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 1 is 3, 2 3 is 6, 1 5 is 5, 3 2 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 1 6 is 6. That is equal to, this is 3, this is 4, this is 3 6 9 9 5, 14, 6 8, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. Okay, so this is BC, this is BC, this is BC, 3, 4, 14, 20. Okay, now I am going to find out A into BC, A into BC, A, this is A into BC. Here A is, see, A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and BC is 3, 4, 14, 20. So that this is of order 2 by 2, this is also of order 2 by 2. Clearly A into BC exists, and that will be 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 14, 28. Okay. After that, first row, second column, 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 into 20 plus 2 into 20, 40. Second row, first column, 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 14, 56. Second row, second column, 3 into 4, 12 plus 4 into 20, 8. What will become? That is equal to, see, 28 plus 3, 31, 40 plus 4, 44, 56 plus 9, 65, and 12 plus 80, 92. Means A into B into A into BC, that is equal to 31, 44, 65, 92. Now check here, this one and this one. They are equal. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2. This is also a matrix of order 2 by 2, and their corresponding entries you can see. Check. They are equal. Clearly, from here what we have? AB into C is equal to A into BC. Means matrix multiplication holds associative law. That's why we can write this ABC without using brackets. Okay. Now next, distributive law. We had seen that matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. I am going to verify this. Distributive law. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. If B plus C exists and A into B plus C exists, it is only possible when this is pre-multiplier and this one is post-multiplier. So order of A and order of B like this, that number of columns in A is same as number of row in B plus C. Okay. So see, consider an example for verification. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is of order 3 by 2. Okay. Now consider B. This is 1, 0, 3, 5. This is 2 by 2. Clearly C must be also of order 2 by 2 because we have to find out B plus C also, na? That's why. So consider C 3 minus 3 2 0. This is also of order 2 by 2. Now for verifying A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, we have to find out B plus C first. So what will be B plus C? See, B plus C, that is equal to, add these two. This is B 1 0 3 5 and C, this is plus C 3 minus 3 2 0. What will become? That is 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 4 0 plus minus 3 minus 3 3 plus 2 3 plus 2, that is 5, and 4 plus 0, sorry 5 plus 0 5. So this is B plus C. It will be 4 minus 3 5 and 5. Okay. So B plus C, I am going to write here. B plus C is, for making space, 4 minus 3 5 5. This is of order 2 by 2. Okay. So now we have to find out A into B plus C. A into B plus C. So see what will become. A is here. A is, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and B plus C is 4 3 5 5. See, this is of order 3 by 2 and this is of order 2 by 2. Clearly A into B plus C holds, and that is equal to, see, first row first column, 1 into 4 4 plus 2 into 5 10. First row second column, 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 5 10. Now second row first column, 3 into 4 12 plus 4 into 5 20. Second row second column, 3 into 3 9 plus 4 into 5 20. Third row first column, 5 into 4 20 plus 6 into 5 30. Third row second column, 5 into 3 15 plus 6 into 5 30. So what will become? That is equal to, you can see, this is 14, this is 13, this is 32, this is 29, this is 50, and this is 45. That is A into B plus C. So we have A into B plus C here. I can write here. This is 14, this is 13, this is 32, this is 29, that is 50, that is 45. Okay. So that is of order 3 by 3. Okay. So now we have to find out here A into B plus C. So see, A into B plus C is here. I am going to write here A into B plus C. A into B plus C, that is A into B plus C is 14, 13, 32, 29, 50, 45. That is A into B plus C. Now we have to find out AB. We have to find out AB. So I am going to rub this one for making space. Now I am going to find out AB. See, AB. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is here 1, 0, 3, 5. That is equal to C. I am going to do it directly. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 1 1 is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 3 into 1, 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 1, 5. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 5 into 0, 0. 6 into 5, 30. So that is AB. Now find out AC. Now find out AC. AC. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And C is here 3 minus 3, 2, 0. So it will be equal to 1 into 3, 2 into 2. 1 into 3, 3. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 into minus 3, 2 into 0, 0. That is minus 3. After that, second row, first column, 3 3 is 9, 4 2 is 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 4 into 0, 0. Minus 9. Third row, this one. 5 into 3, 15. 6 into 2, 12. 15 plus 12, 27. 5 3 is 15. And 6 plus 6 into 2, 12. This is 27. And 5 into minus 3, minus 15. And 6 into 0, 0. So that is AC. That is AC. See, this one is AB, this one is AC. AB, AC. Now after that we have to find out their sum. So AB plus AC means we have to add their corresponding entries. So 7 plus 7, 14. 10 plus minus 3, that is 10 plus this is 10 and this is minus 3. 10 plus minus 3, that is 7. That is 7. And this is 15 plus 17. 32. And after that 20 and minus 9. This is 29. There is something mistake. This one is C. C is this one. 3 into 3 minus 3, 2, 0. AB and AC. Here AB plus AC, that will be 7 plus 7, 14. 10 minus 3, that is 7. 15 plus 17, 32. 20 and minus 9, that is 11. And 23 plus 27, that is 50. And 30 and minus 15, that will be 50. So this is AB plus AC. AB plus AC. So AB plus AC is AB plus AC is this one. Now I am going to find out A into B plus C. A into B plus C. See, this is A and B plus C is here. So A into B plus C is what? A into B plus C. A into B plus C, that will be A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B plus C is 4 minus 3, 5. This is 5. Okay. So it will be equal to what? See, that is equal to 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 5, 10, 1 into minus 3, and 2, this is plus 10, 3 4 are 12, plus 5 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20, and 3 3 are minus 9, and 4 5 are 20, 5 4 are 20, and plus 6 5 are 30, and 5, this is minus 15, and 6 5 are 30. So it will be equal to what? That is equal to, say, 14, this one 7, this one 32, this one 11, this one 15, and this one 15. Clearly from here we will see that A into B plus C. Clearly A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay. So this is enough for today. Next time we will see some more properties of matrix multiplication, also some problems from the exercise. Thank you.